Can you change your age on Discord? Let's get started. In this video, I'm going to show you guys whether you can change your age on Discord or not. Launch your Discord app. Now navigate to the U page. Once you're over here, click on the settings icon given at the top right corner. Now scroll all the way down, head over to the option support. Now click on this drop down and select help and support. A form will open up. Now you'll need to fill out these. First of all, what can we help you with? Click on this drop down and select appeals and age update request. Now type in the email address that is linked with your account. Now click on this drop down for how can we help. Select update my age information. Now type in your phone number over here. Likewise, type in the correct date of birth. And for the subject, type in update my age. And in description, you'll need to explain in detail about the issue that you have set incorrect date of birth in your account, but you want to update it. Then check in for this option. Likewise, you can upload the picture of your IDs. And once you fill out this, click on submit. With that, Discord support team will get back to you. This way you can update your age on Discord. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.